Toyota has officially unveiled the all-new Sienta, which replaces the second-generation model that was first unveiled in 2015. Now built on the GA-B version of the Toyota New Global Architecture, the small MPV will primarily be sold in Japan in 5 and 7-seat configurations. The Sienta measures 4,300mm in length, 1,695mm in width, and 1,670mm in height. These numbers are very close to his predecessor-worthy slightly increased height and length, but an identical 2,750mm wheelbase. The third-generation Toyota Sienta offers a simpler look than the previous generation. At the front, the headlights surrounded by daytime running LEDs reminiscent of the new Honda Jazz are connected by a black part of the logo. At the bottom is a simple design with a black panel with a split louver. Seen in profile, black plastic details are used on the front and rear of the wheels, as well as on the doors. It looks like the sliding tailgate feature continues in the new Toyota Sienta. In addition, we see that the top versions use new wheels with a two-tone design. At the rear, which appears to be flatter and more modernly designed than in the past, the C-shaped stops stands out. A loading sill that appears to be very close to the ground also makes the Sienta a practical model. In addition to the seats, there are also fabric upholstery in the interior of the console and doors. Behind the 3-spoke steering wheel is an optional digital instrument cluster, and in the center is a 10.2-inch touchscreen infotainment screen. Below that, we see the air conditioning controls and vents. In addition, there are many practical solutions such as USB ports, cup holders, wristbands, hooks for bags, mobile phone pockets in the car. Toyota says cabin height has been increased by 20mm and the second row seats have been redesigned to offer more legroom and headroom. In addition, there is an air circulation system on the ceiling which allows the air conditioner to work more efficiently. In terms of mechanicals, the Sienta continues to feature MacPherson struts at the front and rear torsion beam, although the improved rigidity of the TNGA platform and the use of high-damping structural adhesive allows for improved ride quality, comfort, and handling. In terms of powertrains, the Sienta is only available in the ICE version with 1.5-liter dynamic force petrol engine, or as a hybrid with the same internal combustion engine assisted by 1 or 2 electric motors and a small lithium-ion battery. Power is sent to either the front or all 4 wheels via a direct shift CVT with a 10-speed sport sequential shift-matic system that stimulates gear changes. The automaker expects to have the new Sienta at its dealers in Japan early next month and estimates it will sell about 8,300 units per month. Prices start at $14,190 for the base front-wheel drive model and can reach up to $22,615 for the range-topping all-wheel drive hybrid model.